Good morning, love. So today is my grandmother's first surprise birthday party that me and my sister are throwing for her. She will be 78 this year. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Just grabbing one of my napkins so I can my towels so I can wash my face. But you guys, I'm so ready for this party to be over one because it has been really expensive. And not only that, just like trying to keep up with everything else in life, making sure payments are done, or making sure all the family is invited, because my grandma, she is getting older. She does have health issues going on. I just wanted, you know, to give her a really good birthday. I'm just using my Youth to the People, kale, and green tea, spinach, and vitamins face wash. We're really in like the last few weeks of school, and work is a lot. I have a lot of deadlines coming up. That's another reason why I have not been recording, because of all the deadlines that I have coming up for year end. Like, life has been life, and like life has really been life. Leah's busy with all of her activities, and then yeah, other things have been happening that are just out of my control with, you know, just life that I really don't want to divulge in that much. But let's just say it's really hard raising teenagers, and it's even harder when you're the bonus parent. I still have my braids thing on, but they need to come out. I need a new hairdo. I'm also looking for a natural stylist, so if you're in the middle Georgia area, let me know of any good natural hairstylists that will actually take good care of my hair. I've already brushed my teeth. I hate brushing my teeth or seeing other people brush their teeth on camera, so I'm not going to show you guys that. But I'm just gonna go in with my topical solution from my dermatologist now. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and do a refill. But y'all, today is gonna be busy, so hopefully I'm able to get some good recording in for you guys. Hopefully. And I can't wait to just be around family, be with family, especially with everything that's going on and the fact that life is just really lifing, you know, like real bad, like really lifing. I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe daily healing ointment, or whatever, just because I'm gonna run through errands, and then I'm gonna come home a little bit later and chill out, watch a little television before it's time for me to get ready. I do have a coordinator, my sister-in-law, not a coordinator, you know, she decorates, so she's gonna be doing like all of the decor and stuff like that for me. So yeah, so she's gonna be doing all of the decor for me, and I'm gonna go with my Black Girl sunscreen because it's hot. I live in Georgia and it's hot, and I don't know, y'all, since I stopped taking my treatment medicine for my endometriosis, my skin has been acting real funny. Like, my hyperpigmentation is like going. It like comes and goes. I do want to try that. I think it's called the topicals or something like that. I do want to try that out just to see if I can kind of like even out my skin tone. Good molecules discoloration serum, and I do like this, but it did not like mesh well with what my dermatologist gave me. So this one right here is really good. I do like it, but like I said, the prescription that my dermatologist gave me and using that, it was just too harsh on my skin. It was almost like I had a chemical peel done, so I had to stop using it. But the stuff my dermatologist gives me is so good and it works so well, I don't want to stop using it. So I just gotta find something different that's gonna work for me. All right, y'all, so it is time to go for my grandmother's birthday party, but this is what I'm wearing. It's like a two-piece set from Fashion Nova. Never mind the stuff in the background. Y'all, I need some more lights in my bedroom because this ain't it. This ain't giving what it needs to give. But cute little two-piece set. I tied it right here. It's really long. I'm 5'3", and although because I'm gonna be working, I don't know if I'm going to put on my heels or not, but I do have my Tory Burch in the car. But y'all, I love a two-piece set. Just throw it on and go. Like, it looks good. The bun is bumming back there. So y'all, your girl has I've lost 20 pounds, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, my stomach is trying to go away. Like, I'm proud of my work. But enough talking. Party starts at 4. It's 3:39. I supposed to left the house 30 minutes ago, so let me get out of here, y'all. Bye. Hey love, so we have made it to the birthday dinner. Me and my sister. It is decorated so nice in here, you guys. Family is here. My grandma was so excited. Make sure I insert a clip of her walking in, but I just want to show you guys pictures and videos of the decor. Hey loves, so I just made it home from the party, y'all. It's 9:26. I hope I got some footage. For whatever reason, my memory card was full, so if I have any footage, I would definitely like submit it. I don't know if it would be like this, what was this, like the proper way of up and down, just depending on what footage I have, because one of my co-workers, she was so gracious enough, you guys, to make a complete playlist. And when I tell y'all, the playlist was like 4 hours long, so I was using my phone for the playlist. But y'all, my grandmother, she absolutely enjoyed herself. Like, she was almost in tears just to see the whole family there and her being celebrated. Like, it was so amazing. All right, love, so we just made it back into the car. This is what Liz's bowl looks like. Take the lid off, baby. And like, this is what Leah bowls look like. It smells really good. It smells like acai. She did a lot of substitution on hers. Like, she didn't want mango. She didn't want the goji berry. She did a lot of substituting on hers. This is what my bowl looks like. It doesn't look that appetizing at all. Not at all. And y'all, these bowls for two came to $27. Came to $27, y'all. $27. But we about to try. Leah about to try.
I'm scared.
Y'all, the lady had to remake Leah's because she was
3 times.
Was
no,
it 3? No,
yeah,
2.
2 times.
She had to remake mine because I don't like bananas. Leah likes bananas, but Leah has a peanut butter allergy, and she had peanut butter everywhere, y'all.
I agree, you know better. Don't play. Look at all this coke.
It's a lot of coconut.
It tastes like a what's that coconut candy bar?
Almond Joy.
Yes. I don't eat them.
It just has smell.
Yes.
Like, y'all, it's good. It's not bad at all. I really can make this at home.
It's good.
It's like real refreshing.
It's sweet.
Now,
you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
hey love, so it is Cinco de Mayo, and I'm actually heading out to meet my friends as well as my sister for Cinco de Mayo, y'all. I'm not like the party girl type, so I'm only going to this one place, and I'm going back home, y'all. It's been cold and rainy all day long, but I got invited out, and I want to be with my girls, so I'm going with them. We're going to this place here in Macon. It's called The Brick, and when I tell y'all, the food is really good. I have not been doing a lot of drinks, like drinking and stuff like that, and also like just with it being Cinco de Mayo and like the holiday and stuff, y'all, I just want to make sure I make it back home because people are crazy. But like I said, we are actually heading to The Brick, and I just wanted to come on. I don't know if I'm going to add this into my vlog from last weekend or not, but if I do, you guys will know, or if not, this probably will be like the last little bit of last week's vlog, y'all. But y'all, your girl got her natural out, but it's only for tonight because I go to see a new stylist tomorrow, just to get my hair treated and trimmed. But I wore this like little braid out today, and y'all, my students and like my staff members, I got so many compliments just on like the texture of my natural hair and this braid out. Like, I really feel like this braid out will last me a couple of days, whatever. Like, it's full of definition. But y'all, it's Friday. I'm so ready for the weekend. Like, I'm passing a Mexican restaurant now, y'all, and it's lit. Like, it's packed over there. They got the screen lights and the balloons and everything, so they're ready. But I'll pick y'all back up when I get to The Brick.
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my life.